Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to this 7-minute mobility. I wanted to do this one with voiceovers as well because I want to explain every move as we go so that you will know what you need to focus on, and yeah, so maybe some modifications if you are more on the beginner side. And yeah, I wanted to just explain to you while we're doing the exercises. So today I have 7 mobility moves for you, and each move we're gonna do for 1 minute or 30 seconds per side. Okay, let's go now into the first one, which is roll-ups into the forward fold. So first you start with extended body, really stretch. And now you're gonna engage your core, you're gonna lift yourself up, and you're gonna go into the forward fold. So we are folding from the hips, and then we come back up, engage your core, slowly move back down and stretch. If this is too hard for you, you can bend one knee, push forward, and then you will be able to get up easily. And you're gonna feel nice stretching your hamstrings. Come up, round your back, rotate backwards, stretch your body. And again, inhale, really drive it forward, squeeze it, come back up. Inhale, move down, roll it, extend. And again, if you're a beginner, push with your heel forward, and now you can roll forward. And one more time, roll backwards. Stretch. Okay. Next one, you're gonna go onto the side, you're gonna put your arms on top of each other, you're gonna open up. So this is called closing and opening the book, and we are moving our upper back, thoracic spine, and we are doing for 30 seconds on one side, and try to really reach with the other arm on the ground. One more. Good. Now flip it over on the other side. Stretch. And we go. Oh, it feels really good. Whew. And mosquitoes are biting me today. They're vicious. And again, you feel nice stretch in the upper back. Good. One more. Open up. Okay, good. Now we're gonna do the windshield wipers. So you're bending your knees, and we're gonna move now the lower part of our back. Good, on the other side. Lift up. This is also a great core exercise as well. Squeeze it. You can also grab something like a dumbbells or something, so they will anchor you down. And if you're more advanced, you can always go with your extended legs, like so. Of course, you have to squeeze your abs as well. Okay, when you're here, make sure you engage your core, you move to the other side. Good, up. Last one. Up. Okay, next one is a pretty advanced one. So we're gonna go into the roll up, into the pistol squat in a way, and then you're gonna roll forward on your knee, and it's great for your mobility, for your ankles. And you go back down, you stretch your body, and again the other side, knees down, you come back up. If this is too hard for you, you can just basically go into the seated position. If not, then just practice this move like so. It's totally fine. But if you can, if you don't have any problems with your knees, your ankles are really good, you can just practice this move. And again. And last one. Whew. All right. Next one, we're gonna do the hip openers 90-90. and we're just going for the few reps like this, left and right. And now you're gonna rotate around your body, move to the other side. Okay, around your body, and again, round your body down, and we go. Good. This one works your hips, your glutes, your back, your lower back, your upper back, basically everything. And it's such a great mobility move. And I love it. I always do it. All right, good job. Next one, we're doing kneeling windmills. Yes. So one leg is in front. Now the opposite forearm goes on the ground. The other one is up. The other arm is up. You go down. Good. You're gonna feel nice deep stretch in your glutes and also in your hamstrings on the leg that is basically in the bend position. Good. You do a couple of moves here. Switch it. Come up. Use your core as well. And one more. Okay, and we're gonna finish up with a up dog, down dog wave. Good. And now we do the kick through. And we do it again. Down, kick through, and again. Kick through. If you cannot do the kick through, of course, you can leave it out or you just sit, and it's pretty advanced version. You can just do the waves up and down, and the last one. Good, kick through. Okay, and then you can just rest in child's pose. Exhale. You can stay here for a few minutes, and the rest you can just, lay down, relax, or basically you can do your own workout now if you want to, or this can be just like a nice 7-minute mobility flow for your off days. And this time I just wanted to go through the voiceover, with the talking while I'm doing the exercises with you, so that you actually know how to do this one. But if you want to do this workout with the music without me talking, the link is down below, so you can actually check this video. All right, so that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching and doing this workout with me. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share this video, and I'll see you next time. Thank you so much.